Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 是 step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. 是 Market City 市场市场 Marketplace The retail market is quite lively. Retail market is quite lively. 零售市场相当活跃。零售市场相当活跃。零售市场 Retail market 相当活跃 quite lively. The retail market is quite lively. 零售市场相当活跃。是 incursive. 是 market city 市场 marketplace. The retail market is quite lively. 零售市场相当活跃。是 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 是. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.